In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save product pictures from Alibaba. Whether you're building a mood board, organizing supplier options, or planning a product listing draft, saving clear reference images is essential. We'll keep it simple and stick to the most reliable method, while keeping quality high and everything nicely organized. As always, use images responsibly and follow the platform's terms. Ask the supplier for permission before using pictures publicly. Start by opening Alibaba in your web browser and navigating to the specific product page you're interested in. Make sure you're on the exact variant you want, like the correct color or style, so the images you save match what you intend to reference. On the product page, click the main product image to enlarge it. Most listings open a lightbox or a dedicated image viewer when you click. This matters because the enlarged view usually loads a higher resolution version. Give it a second to fully load, so you're capturing the sharpest possible image. If there are arrows to navigate, you can click through until you see the exact photo you want to save in its large format. With the enlarged image visible, right-click directly on that image. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the control key while clicking does the same thing. From the menu that appears, select Save Image As or Save Picture As, depending on your browser. This opens your file browser so you can choose where the image will go on your computer. Pick a folder you'll remember. Creating a dedicated folder for the product or supplier can save time later. Give the file a clear, consistent name. For example, include the product name or code, the color or variant, and the supplier. This makes searching and sorting much easier. Check the file type shown in the dialog. Most images will save as JPG or PNG, both of which are standard and easy to use. Click Save and you're done. The image is now stored on your computer at full size. If your browser shows a download bar or a recent downloads list, you can click there to view the file immediately. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always enlarge the photo first to avoid saving a low-quality thumbnail. If the image opens in a new tab instead of a pop-up, that's fine. Just right-click and save from the large version in that tab. And if saving is disabled on a particular page, respect those restrictions and reach out to the supplier for approved media. That's the whole process. Open the product page, enlarge the image, right-click, choose Save Image As,